If your visa depends on your job, know the law before your boss uses fear against you. My dear friends and family and my followers, my name is Zahid Azad. I will tell you a story today regarding a skilled worker. Recently, we win on the case. I will tell you a story today. Recent story, what happened with one of my clients. So, guess his name is Rahim. So Rahim came to the UK from Bangladesh on a skilled worker visa, right? So he was sponsored by a restaurant company in London as an assistant manager. His certificate of sponsorship promised was £31,000 per year, 39 hours per week, management duties, full-length employment rights. So that was the deal with him. But when he started work, reality was very, very different. Instead of management work, Rahim was made to clean toilets, carry stock deliveries, wash dishes late night in the kitchen, work 60 to 17 hours weekly, receive less pay than promised. I believe this story is matching with a lot of skilled worker recently. When Rahim complained, that's the interesting part. When Rahim complained, the owner said, if you speak too much, I will cancel your sponsorship and you go back home. Rahim was scared. As of course you understand, in that circumstances, anybody could be scared. Like many migrants, he believed the employer controlled everything. For 8 months, he stayed silent. He head down, listen everything what the bosses is saying. One day, his salary was cut again, more than before. And 2 weeks' wages were withheld. And he felt, that's it. A friend of my client, he suggested to come to talk with a lawyer. When Rahim came to me, I immediately spotted few legal issues. So the employment law problem was unlawful deduction of wages, breach of contract, failure to pay minimum wages, excessive working hours, bullying. So it's all I noticed. That's more than enough for me to go ahead. What is the immigration problem? Sponsor may be breaching license duties, false role compared with sponsorship record, and risk of abuse. So I gathered all the evidence, of course, help of my client. As an example, WhatsApp messages, rota screenshots, pay slips, bank statements, witness statement from the staff, photos showing actual duties, etc. A formal grievance was sent first. What you normally do? Guess what? The employer ignored everything. Then ACAS, early conciliation started, followed by an employment tribunal claim. What happened in the tribunal? At the hearing, the employer argued as normal. He agreed to everything. He is only angry now. But the judge reviewed the documents. WhatsApp messages shows threats about cancelling his sponsorship. The rota showed 65 to 70 hours per week working. Bank record shows underpayment. The company could not explain why a sponsored manager was cleaning kitchens every week. Best part, verdict. The tribunal found in Rahim's favor. So the judge ruled unlawful deduction of wages proven, breach of contract proven, failure to pay correct wages proven, threatening immigration status amounted to forced treatment. Now, what Rahim get? So Rahim got unpaid wages, all of it, his holiday payment, his notice pay, that's the best part, and compensate for financial loss. So now Rahim is happy. Okay. The employer also faced possible reporting issues regarding sponsor compliance. Rahim used the result and evidence to secure a new sponsor and lawful change employer. He stayed in the UK. The old employer lost his business, his staff, and faced scrutiny. Many skilled worker migrant thinks my boss owns my visa. Wrong. Your sponsor can employ you. They do not owe your legal rights. So, it's not late now or it's not late yet. Please come to visit me. I wanted to help everybody and win the case. See you soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.